There are lots of flight tracking apps and websites, but we found FlightAware to be the best. In this video, I'll share why it's so useful and how we use it. FlightAware has both a website and a smartphone app that provides information for pretty much any commercial flight you might be taking, including scheduled departure and arrival time, flight status, like is it delayed, has it already taken off, has it already landed, and gate information. You don't need a FlightAware account to use most of the site's functionality unless you want to create flight alerts so that you get notifications. I like to use FlightAware's Where's My Plane feature to see where our aircraft is currently located. This can be especially helpful for anticipating if our flight might be delayed even before the airline announces it. If the plane we'll be flying on is already late on its previous flight and there's a short connection time, then there's a good chance it won't be ready for us in time. You can usually see past history as well, so you can see what aircraft types were used on this route you'll be taking. This might be helpful for things like seat lookup. For example, knowing the type of plane you'll be on can help you determine if the economy seats for that long international route might be 3x3x3 or a 2x4x2, which sometimes is a deciding factor for us. Looking at the history, you can also see how often this route has been delayed in the past. And you can check the gate the flight usually parks at, which helps you figure out how far you might need to walk if you have a tight connection, or if there are any lounges or restaurants nearby. One more fun thing is FlightAware also has a live tracking map that allows you to explore the skies around you or anywhere in the world. You can click on any aircraft or airport for a more detailed view. You can even add weather layers using the layer icon in the top right corner. Hope this was helpful and will be a useful tool for you for your next flight.